Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing another ranking my Temu purchases. This one here is part 4. I have a Temu playlist linked down below where I have my Temu haul videos, my full faces, and my ranking videos in order. So if you want to check that out, that's in the description box below. But for today, we have 11 products to talk about. So if you want to see what those are, my thoughts on them, just keep on watching. So again, we are going to rank from 11 being the worst to number 1 being the best. So we are going to talk about the products that I'm not the biggest fan of first, and ending with the number 1 product that I wish that you'll go on Temu and purchase for yourself because they're amazing. And to top off all the amazingness of the information in today's video, I have a full face of Temu makeup going on right now, and they happen to be the products that we're going to be talking about. So if you want to see my thoughts on everything, obviously just keep on watching. But we're going to start off with number 11, starting off with the setting spray. At number 11, we have the TLM Prep and Prime Fix Plus setting spray. So this is a product that I didn't already have high hopes for. When it came in the package, it was already kind of leaking. Didn't really, I don't know. I wanted to try out a new setting spray from the website, and honestly, I just haven't found the one for me on the site. So let me know if you've tried any setting sprays that you love on the site where the mist is not attacking you. So far, both setting sprays that I purchased from Temu do that to my face. They like attack and throw fragrance at you. So this one is pretty fragrance as well, and it's just one that's like whatever. Like I feel like it's just water in here, like it's nothing special. So that's what I'm gathering from this product so far, and that's why I ranked at number 11. At number 10, we have the She Loves Natural Haze palette. So again, I did use all of this right now on my face. So I did go ahead and mix this along with the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which we're going to talk about in a little bit. But this one ranked at number 10 because it's just like doesn't have a lot of use for me. So it did come in clutch with the under eyes, and it did help out that concealer that I just spoke about. But I don't know. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. No mirror, which I'm okay with. You get 5 shades in here. You get this big bronzer looking shade. It's actually very gray. You get this white tone, this light brown, and then 2 color correcting shades. So this is basically a concealer palette. It's just like whatever. Like I think you can skip out on it. Just like the setting spray is not something that I say like go out and purchase. I have to check out the website and see maybe the other color will work for me, but this one here is in number 3. So the initial idea was to use this color as a cream bronzer, and it just did not work out. It's just streak gray on my face and not like a nice contour gray for me. It's just like straight up like light gray. It just wasn't great, so that's why I ranked that number 10. Definitely not one that I recommend you go out and purchase, to be honest. I do want to check out the other color story to see if maybe it's a little deeper, maybe it's a little better for me, but I don't know. I just didn't it's just not fun working with this product, so that's why it ranked so low. At number 9, we have the It Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer. Does it say that? Yes. So it's not full coverage at all. I'd say if anything, it's like very like light, maybe to medium coverage. It's just so lightweight. So not only is the color a little light for me, like a lot of products on the website do run on the lighter side, so keep that in mind when you are choosing your colors. It's just like kind of hard to color match yourself on there, especially when the color swatches on there aren't really that helpful or accurate. So I did go ahead and purchase this because I thought it was going to be full coverage. I had really high hopes for it. It is a legit dupe for the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Literally looks exactly like the original. So it's like, okay, so it's going to be really good. This one here is in medium, and although the color was okay, I used it to clean up my brows, and I can tell you like right off the bat, I was like, oh, this is lightweight. Okay, girl. Even like to prime the lids, literally I could see like on my veininess, everything was there. I use it on my under eyes alongside the cream palette, and it's just, I don't know, it's just not it. So that's why it's funny enough, it's not it, but I don't know, it's just not that great for me. So that's why it ranked pretty low, but I would still reach for it more than the face palette, more than the setting spray, which is why I ranked a little higher. But I don't know. I'd say don't waste your money on this if you're not into a light coverage concealer. Now, I know a lot of people are, so maybe you'll enjoy this. But for me, I'm looking for something with coverage that's going to cover up my under eyes, give me some brightness under there, and just like, perfect my face. So I don't know. This is cute for like a nice, like I'm going to go to Walmart or Target situation. Let me tap on a little bit bit of concealer, nothing too crazy. It's going to blend into your skin tone. It's not going to be super stark, you know, and like pigmented. So I guess for some people it'll work, but for me, I'm kind of like, I don't know. At number 8, we have the Clever Cat Fit Me powder. So this one, if you guys watch my haul video and my full face, it comes with a cream product as well as a powder product. I think it's very interesting. So the top part can be a concealer. It's just a little too light. Like I said, everything's light. This one here is an 02. It only came in 2 shades. And then we have the powder on the bottom, which I did use to set my under eyes. And honestly, it looked really nice, especially because I went in with my little heart poof. It just made it look perfected. Now I am getting a little bit of crepiness on my under eyes and it's looking a little dry. I don't know if it's the powder or if it's the concealer duo that I threw under there, but I'll definitely have to keep trying them. Obviously, I'm going to keep talking about these products even after this ranking video has gone up, and I'll be using all of these on my Instagram as well, so go follow me there. Today's video was really easy to rank because I can definitely tell the products that I loved versus the products that are meh, and this is just a meh product. That's why it's like towards the middle of this video. It's just like, okay, I definitely don't recommend you purchase it. They have better powders on their site. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to use that cream side at all, so I'm kind of like meh about this. At number 7, we have a mascara, and this is the Pop Feel Level Up Lengthening Mascara, an alleged dupe for a ColourPop mascara. So yet another product, very meh vibes. Okay, so this, not only is it difficult to open the product, like it literally takes like 10 million years to get in here. Yeah, but I don't know, the wand wasn't too impressive. It's like very flimsy. It's just not great. And I do have it on my lashes. Obviously I have some lashes from the side on, some falsies, but I do have it on the lower lashes. It just isn't impressive. Even on the lower lashes, it took a while to like, you know, really coat them. And even now, like, I don't think they're that dark. So I'm not really impressed with this. Again, it takes so long to open and close this. It is so annoying. But I am going to use this obviously more often than the other products, I feel, because mascaras are really easy to interchange. So I'm kind of like, pass up on this, girl. It's just not great. But yeah, I'm glad that I purchased it. I wanted to try it out. I love some of their other mascaras. I've talked about them in my other ranking videos, so you guys know and you guys have options on mascaras that work, but this is just kind of like a meh as well. It's just a lot of meh products in this haul. At number 6, we have the Lamott Waterproof Eyebrow Gel. So this one also is just not like disappointing. This is in number 1, by the way. Basically, it tells you what it does, and it does it. It's just the color is just a little brown for me. Looks like that. This is an alleged ABH eyebrow gel dupe, and I really like the actual like spoolie. Really easy to use. If you get it on your skin like by accident, you could always just spoolie it away. Goes away really quickly, so it's not like something that dries fast. I don't have like a whole lot of thoughts on this product yet. Another product that I'm kind of like meh about, it's just like skip out on it. Like a lot of the products in the end of this video are like very like skippable products. I honestly wish I hadn't picked this up. It's just like something that it's just like meh, you know, and it's really affordable, so you know, I didn't really like waste a lot of money, although I really wanted to try them out because they were like packaging dupes. They're just like not really giving. I found so many other gems on the website that I'm kind of like really disappointed by some of these products. Compare, you know, like in my mind I'm comparing them to past products that I've spoken about that are really great. So yeah. Next product is a foundation, or I would say it's like a CC cream. It's like very lightweight. This is from JEVT and it's called their foundation natural color. It does come in 2 different colors. We have the natural and we have the ivory. So the ivory is the one with the red color here. So I went ahead and picked up natural. They only had 2 colors, girl. So yeah, that's what I have on the face today. I honestly I almost gave up on this product and I almost mixed it with my favorite foundation from Temu, but I didn't do it. So I'm really glad that I didn't, because I can definitely tell that now that everything is on, it honestly gave it like more coverage. Now I have powders on top, I have cream products on top and everything, and it honestly looks really good. So I'll have to update you guys further in other videos, but so far so good with this product. Really am loving how everything looks, except the under eyes. Again, they're looking a little crepey, but like everything else, honestly I'm really impressed. So although the color is obviously a little light for me, I'm just like really loving this. So this is also a really nice like everyday kind of foundation vibe, very lightweight but perfect for those like I'm gonna run errands kind of day. I don't want something full coverage. This is something that I would reach for. And honestly, these two together, if you're into that, you're definitely gonna have to buy these because they're both very natural, lightweight, kind of no makeup kind of products. Although the It Cosmetics really disappointed me, which is why I ranked very low. At number 4, we have the lip oil. So this is a Puttier Lip Oil VC and Yeast Oil situation. So this I threw on. It's cute. Not like something that blew it out of the water for me at all. It's just, you know, it's cute. Love the packaging. It's just like is what it is kind of product. It's a lip oil. If you like lip oils, pick it up. They have various scents and colors, I believe, like the color of the top changes and stuff, but it's cute. It is what it is, you know, nothing exciting. At number 3, we have a new cream blush. So this is from QIC, and this is their liquid blush in the shade 05. I really much enjoy this compared to the other blushes that I've tried from the website. This is very much something that's buildable, and again, like, it was just, I was really shocked and blown away by the fact that this blended out so easily, and literally 3 dots, and it blended out so nicely, really nice and airy. The color is beautiful. Again, this one here is an 05. I swatched it in my haul video. I used it in my full face. I have it under my powder blush today, and I was just blown away by how easy this product was. So yet another product that's very nice for a natural kind of look, natural, like no makeup look. It's just so good, and it's not like ultra pigmented, but it's definitely the one that you can build up if you want to, but it's giving you that oomph factor. So I really like it, and it was really easy to blend out again. And there's a look at that. It does have a little poof applicator. It's just really good. So I'm glad that I decided to pick one of these up. Number 2, we have the NOZO blush. So this is what I have over top of that cream blush. So this one here is a alleged NARS dupe. This one here is an 04. Love the packaging. It does come with a nice, very clear mirror. And then this is the blush. So it definitely looks lighter in the pan than it does when it's going on. But it is such a beautiful color. I love it. A little bit goes a long way. There is a little bit of kick up when you do put your brush in here, but it's just such a beautiful color. And again, it looks lighter in the pan, but it's actually like a little darker when you throw it on your face. So there's the shade 03, and again, I have it on the skin today. Love this purchase, which is why I ranked at number 2. Definitely recommend, if you see these, girls, snatch them up. They have some matte shades, which is what this is, and they also have some shimmer options as well. So I was like really hyped about this product, and it definitely didn't disappoint. Same thing goes for this. I am so happy with the Hood Emoji Empowered palette. Not only do I love the packaging, this one is at number 1 because it's just so good. I love the color story. I love the packaging. Has a nice mirror, and then these are the colors in this palette. It's just so fun. I had so much fun playing with this palette today. And again, this is what I have on the eyes. Just really quick and easy. I think I used like 4 colors in here. So good. Obviously, I'm gonna update you guys in future videos. I am gonna eventually, once my Temu palettes section kind of grows a little more, I'll have to rank all my palettes from there. But yeah, I think this one will rank really high because I just honestly really enjoyed it. Love the color story. It's just really good. So I did have a little bit of trouble blending the Confidence shade, which is that dark shade out there, but you see how everything just came together nicely. So yeah, definitely recommend if you've been eyeing this. It's cute. Pick it up. Obviously, it's not gonna be like Huda Beauty stature of like, you know, pigmentation and all that, but it's so good. Compared to the Lime Crime dupe that I found in my last ranking and haul video, this is way better, girl. Definitely recommend this. It's so good, and I'm so happy that I picked it up, and I think it retailed for like $8. So yeah, love this. And that's the last product. Let me know your thoughts on these products. Would you have ranked them differently? Do you have different opinions on these? Are you gonna pick any of these up? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.